Okay guys, gagawa tayo ng video tutorial papaano mag-activate ng ating PHGH World account after mag-reset natin. So just click activate. Okay, so kailangan kung ano yung wallet address mo na magsisend, tingnan pula natin. So the wallet address na nakalagay dito, ayan, siya din dapat yung sender, kung nilagay mo dito, siya din dapat yung sender mo. So ready na tayo mag-activate. Just click activate, and dito sa baba yung wallet address, just click copy, then proceed tayo sa Trust Wallet. Sa Trust Wallet naman, so papadala natin yung wallet address na yon ng $5. So just click send and paste the wallet address and type the amount. Then just click next and confirm. Pagka-confirm yan, wait natin yung transaction details. Then once nakapag-send na, just click more, and ito yung kanyang wallet transaction hash. So i-copy mo lang tong transaction hash. So as you can see, kailangan at least meron kang 30 to 50 blocks confirmation. So pag meron na, so balik ka lang doon sa iyong dashboard and click verify. So dito ilalagay mo naman yung transaction hash. So just paste it. Then dahil naka 30 to 50 blockchain confirmation na siya, so pwede mo na siyang i-confirm transaction. So yun yung isang technique para hindi mag-error. So once nakapag-send ka, wag agad mag-paste. You wait 30 seconds bago mag-confirm. Okay, so click natin ang confirm hash code. Check natin. Okay, so inulit lang natin, nag-refresh lang tayo. So, okay na. Confirm na yung ating activation sa account na to. So, ganun lang kabilis ang mag-activate ng ating account. Ayan. So, mawawala na ngayon yung activation dyan. Okay na? Then, we can now proceed sa provide help. Ito yung green heart. Or, kung ito, new PH po ang kailangan dito. So, for now, hindi pa na tayo dyan. Punta tayo sa ating recovery. So, as old member, mayroon tayong recovery. Sa account na to, mayroong 125 na principal plus 50% growth na $62. So, okay. So, gagawa tayo ng video for this tutorial recovery program. Okay.
What is PHGH World? PHGH World is a mutual aid community where you help each other. Help is important in everyone's life. PHGH World can be a helping hand forever. Participate in the system by providing minimum help, equivalent to $20 USDT, to another participants and rewarded by system with credits called DGR. This DGR grows 1.66% daily. Next time you need financial help, this GDR is great asset. PHGH is not a wallet, not a bank, not corporation. There is no boss, no owner. PHGH World is a self-managed community by participants. Be part now and start helping.